Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to make a little review on Thrive Suite. Okay, for all of you guys who use WordPress, this is a conversion focus theme and plugin that will allow you to create very high converting landing pages, sales pages, thank you pages, courses. It has tons of plugins, tons of things that you can create and design inside of WordPress that will make you will make your page, your website look like similar to Clickfunnels, with the difference that it is 100% focus on WordPress. Okay, this is an amazing plugin that I will show you what it has inside. Okay, as you can see here is a conversion focused WordPress themes and plugins. Okay, in the past they used to have just plugins. Okay, Thrive Architect, Thrive Leads, for example, and they also have a Thrive theme builder. But right now, Thrive Suite is the combination of all of them. Right now, if you want to get this amazing plugin, you have to buy the combination of all of them. Okay, and I will show you the video afterwards. But as you can see here, it has the lowest possible price, access to all our tools, a marketing team in your pocket. The customer service they have is amazing, cutting edge tech and strategies. No Frankenstein website, is very easy to design, to make everything that you want inside of Thrive Architect or Thrive Themes. In this case, world-class support, as I mentioned before, the customer service is amazing. You write them an email and they reply in a couple hours. Unlimited updates, this is also an amazing benefit of this tool, is that whenever you buy Thrive Suite, Thrive Themes, all the updates they are included in the price. You don't have to upgrade your price, or the price is not going to fluctuate. No fluff online marketing training inside. Once you buy Thrive Suite, you will also find great marketing training in there that you can use to continue learning, continue implementing what you learn in your business, in your website. Okay, Thrive Team Builder, as I was mentioning before, they used to have this package that was separate, which included Thrive Team Builder, which is a builder similar to Elementor that allows you to design a website as you please. In Thrive Team Builder, you will find different templates that then you can edit and model depending on your colors, on your brand, on your needs. Okay, but it's mainly focused on making your website high converting. Okay, you don't want a website that just is focused on getting information, not making people take action. Thrive Suite is mainly focused on helping you get the attention of people who are in your website and making them take an action. It can be submitting their email, going to a sales page, buying one of your products, which is amazing. Then Thrive Architect, this is my favorite one, is specifically to create landing pages, thank you pages, and sales pages. You can design as you please. Okay, very easy to do. You have over 300 templates that then you can edit, model, design as you please to make it really nice, really good looking, and more importantly, make people take action. Build your mailing list faster. You can do this with Thrive Leads. This is a plugin that is mainly, as you can see here in the picture, it will appear up, that with a lead magnet, with a coupon code, that will make people take an action. Okay. Then Thrive Quizzes or Thrive Quiz Builder is also a great tool to have, because remember, quizzes, when you use quizzes, people are more willing to complete the quiz and then include their information. So this is another great tool to have that is included in Thrive Suite. Go even further, you can create your own courses. Okay, design your own mini courses as lead magnets, or have very good built courses like the ones you will have on Teachable, for example, that you can create inside of WordPress with Thrive Apprentice. where you can build, as you can see here, your own professional online courses. Great tool to have as well. Then Thrive Comments. Make commenting fun and engaging. Okay, a lot of WordPress themes include comments, but they are not very well designed. They don't look good. And inside of here, you will have very nice designs that you can, edit, and that will make your website, your comments stand out. Okay, then Thrive Optimize. This is for A/B testing. Okay, this is something amazing as well, because you can compare between one landing page and another, launch a campaign in Facebook, on Google, and then analyze which landing pages perform better. And in that way, after a week, after 2 weeks, with all the data, you can then decide which one you want to keep and which one you want to stop. So this is also very important to have this option, A/B testing, for all of you marketers who are focused on conversions, of getting leads, of getting sales. This is a great tool to have. Then Thrive Ultimatum. Create evergreen countdown campaigns. This is especially important in the factor of generating scarcity at the moment people reach to your sales page, to include that option of limited time, of scarcity. Okay, this is increases conversions because people will see the countdown, and this will motivate them to take another step, another action. Great tool to have as well. Thrive Ultimatum. Thrive Ovation. Gather and display testimonials for social proof. As you guys know, one of the key factors online in order to build trust and make people buy from you is having testimonials from past clients, past customers. And with Thrive Ovation, you will have the option of making really good designs for your the testimonials people have to give your business. This is something that you will also find in Thrive Team Builder, in Thrive Architect, but this one is nicer. Okay, it is great, a great option as well to have. Remember, social proof is, in my opinion, the most powerful factor that will make people who don't know you trust you more and be more inclined into becoming a lead and later on into a customer. Okay, Thrive Suite is your all-in-one toolbox to create a WordPress website that converts visitors into leads and customers. So if you have a WordPress website, or if you want to create your website inside of WordPress, I highly recommend you to check out this amazing theme, this amazing tool that is going to allow you to have a high converting website. Because trust me, if you have a website which is your online store, you want that website to convert, you want that website to give you results. It is not worth to have a website that doesn't give you leads, that doesn't help you have more customers. What you want to have, if you are making the investment of having a website, having an online store, having an online presence, you want that to be profitable. Okay, and that's very possible if you know how to do marketing, if you know how to create or use copywriting in your favor, if you know how to send traffic to your website. But it's not just about sending traffic, it's about sending traffic, but once people are in your website, to be able to convert them. Okay, to be able to transform those people, those customers or future customers who don't know you, into leads, so that they enter your sales process, enter your backend, and then with your follow-up, with your email sequence, with all the sales process, that you are able to convert them into customers.
You are an online entrepreneur, you have a business to run, and you don't have time to code or design. You choose a WordPress website to get clients and sell your products, not to deal with a team of developers or designers. But it seems the alternative is to cobble together WordPress plugins with a bunch of expensive third-party tools. This makes you feel overwhelmed and frustrated whenever the tools don't play nice together or simply don't work. And rightfully so. The internet is 30 years already. Any toolkit that makes it difficult to build a high-converting website should now be written off as an insult to your online business. That's exactly why we created Thrive Suite. It's the most effective all-in-one toolbox for building a high-converting WordPress website fast. With the tools included in Thrive Suite, you can customize your WordPress website theme down to the smallest detail. Create gorgeous high-converting landing pages and sales funnels, grow your email list with stunning and fully customizable opt-in forms, win even higher quality leads with the segmentation power of quizzes, and A/B test every single detail in your funnel. Simply put, Thrive Suite gives you every tool necessary to build and grow your online business at drag-and-drop speed.
So, as I mentioned before, inside of Thrive Suite, you are going to find the Thrive Theme Builder, okay, to create any theme and build your website as you please. And then you will have plugins that are very powerful, as I mentioned before, Thrive Architect for landing pages, Thrive Lists to make pop-ups and transform, or whenever someone reaches your website, into a lead. Thrive Quizzes to have quizzes inside your website, Thrive Apprentice to build your own course. It can be a free mini course or a paid version course. Thrive Comments to make comments more engaging in your website, Thrive Ultimatum, Thrive Ovation, and Thrive Optimize. Okay, you are going to have all these tools once you get Thrive Suite. So it is, for the price, I think it's a no-brainer. As I mentioned before as well, unlimited updates. Once you get Thrive Suite, every time that Thrive Themes makes a new update in this amazing tool, you will get it. You will have amazing 24/7 customer support, okay? And I can assure you, I've been with Thrive Themes for 2 years now, and every time I have a question, I have a concern, they reply to me, to my emails in less than 3 hours. So the customer service is 10 out of 10. Integrations and APIs, they have integrations with all the best tools in the market, premium templates for your landing pages. And now let's go for you to check out the price. So as you guys know, having all these tools is not free. Okay, this is something that is not going to be free, but you have the option of getting it for just $19 a month. Okay, if you are billed yearly, is $228. For all of these that you are going to find inside, it is an amazing price. And if you really want to have something similar to Thrive Suite in the market, you have probably heard about Clickfunnels, which is an amazing tool as well, but that costs $97 a month for the basic plan. If you want to get a more premium version of Clickfunnels, that will cost you $300, almost $300. So it is not a comparison. If you get the premium version of Clickfunnels, you will be in an entire year spending less than what you will pay for Clickfunnels in 1 month for the premium version. If you get the lowest version, in 3 months of Clickfunnels, you will be paying more than Thrive Suite. But let me tell you, Thrive Suite is, I would say, even better than Clickfunnels because your website will be hosted in WordPress. You will be able to include or add multiple plugins that WordPress has, plus all the ones that I just showed you. So this is everything that you are going to find inside of Thrive Suite. It includes a 30 money back guarantee, which is also a huge motivation for you to take this step. If you are a WordPress user, I highly recommend you to check this tool out. Make your research. I will leave in the link in the description a link where you can find this amazing tool. And also I want to show you my website because I built it with Thrive Suite. So let's go to my website, e-commerce underdog, so that you can see how it looks and how you can design it. Okay, because it is focused on conversions. As you can see here, this is my website, this is my homepage. If you see here, this is a call to action. This is me, another call to action, what I specialize on. Really nice, good looking. You can edit as you want. That's the beauty of Thrive Suite, that is drag and drop. Okay, and you can model websites that you think are cool. And then if you go to a sales page, this is a sales page, and I made this with Thrive Architect. So you can have focus 100% on conversions because you don't have menus, you don't have bottoms, you don't have anything else. As you can see, I'm here. Then I have a bottom. I have text, copy, very, very important, steps, testimonials, also very important to have, another call to action, okay, bonuses. So this is what you can do with Thrive Suite. So the invitation is there. I highly recommend you to check the link down below. You will find this page so that you can read and analyze if this is convenient for you. I also invite you to watch the videos that you will find inside of the pages, which are from Thrive Suite, the team of them, where you're going to be able to really know what is this about and how it can help your business in a deeper way. So that's everything I have for you guys today. Hope you find this video valuable. If you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe. I'm making videos every single day. And also, if you want to start online, learn about affiliate marketing, funnels, content creation, and email marketing, I want to invite you to a 4-day free training I set up on my website with my mentor Sebastian Gomez that will help you start online, learn about these key factors, okay, funnels, email marketing, and help you starting your journey, or if you already have an online business, improve it and get better results. So the invitation is there. I will also leave the link in the description, and with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making this happen, and I'll see you in the next one.